Yeah, you guys, welcome. You guys know where we're at. We're out here on the back grill. Do you know who I am? yeah, and so, we're, what we do on the back grill back here. We do some roasting, some sipping, and oh, wait, again. This is my sweet pepper butter that I make from scratch. It basically involves baking a bunch of butter and sweet peppers and purple onions. Oh, we got a situation. Okay. There, we gotta close that puppy up for a minute, because Pro Se Legal School, we control the fire, alright? Do you know who I am? Anyway, so I'm roasting a pork butt on the grill here tonight, and it's not a judge butt. Nope, it's not a judge butt. It's an attorney butt. Got a phone call today from H, who has, I don't know how you say, has this attorney who lied to her and told her he was a paralegal, and has this other guy helping her and providing her documents to file in her case. And somehow this dude, this attorney dude that we're going to talk about tonight in the live stream, don't miss that shit. It's going to be late. Not exactly sure when, but it's going to be late because I'm a little late. So the attorney dude has convinced her that he works for me. Oh, wait. He convinced her that he was a paralegal and that he works for me and was helping her. And he convinced me that he was a paralegal helping other people. But then when she called, and yeah, I tried to work with him and coach him and stuff, but his head was stuck in the conventional program. And he wouldn't listen to me and do what the hell I said. So I see why now. But here's what, okay, so you know what? At the end of the day, if you're an attorney and you want to use my stuff to help kick some ass, oh, dude, I do that. I got no problem. I don't have a problem. You can buy my stuff, do whatever you want, okay? But if you're an attorney and you're really helping people, how you can be on the coaching page and get in there. Yeah, but this dude's not helping anybody. So he's over here telling her that convinced her he works for me and convinced her to buy some from this other. And in the live stream tonight, if I get this worked out, I'm going to show you guys. A copy of. You know what? Maybe we'll see. I'll get back with you guys. But you know what? I'm going to open up each of those documents that he sent her. I'm going to show that. And this is okay. So, and some of this stuff, I didn't really talk to her about the specifics of everything. Okay, but I'm just going to start at the gate. And the number one thing she said, and at one point I was like, okay, so if he's helping her, no. He said he threw her ass under the bus. Now, I should have figured that out because in the beginning of the conversation, she said that the judge that she had sued with my package was back on the case. So apparently, and I'm just, hopefully she'll attend the stream or tonight or in the next whatever, because it's kind of last minute. But I think what happened was that he convinced her that he was working with me some kind of way, and then had her buy these packages. I'm just going to show it to you. You can decide for your own. But do you know who I am? Yeah. So she bought this. And she, whatever, and then she started emailing him back and forth. And then he was like, making her think that she was talking to me. Just for you people in the future references, I talk the same way I talk in video. I do. I talk the same damn way I talk in video. And then my wife be over there pumping me sometime trying. Look, I am who I am. And the morning and the evening, okay, I ain't all whatever. So that's the way that goes. So if someone's like messaging you, texting you, emailing you, and the words aren't the words that I use in a damn video or in my mouth or whatever, then that should be a red flag right there. She actually brought that up herself when we were having a conversation. I thought that was really interesting. So here's the thing. I'm going to need some people to help me punch this asshole attorney in the mouth. I got some ideas. And I'm going to need some people to help me punch this attorney's ass in the mouth. And of course, I'm going to do the same shit I did to the judge, to Judge Annie T. Christoph, and have my video pull up right underneath his bullshit. And then I'm going to call his ass, say, you know what? We're still friends on Facebook too. But I had to block his ass because he was stupid. Oh, it's getting hot in the kitchen. Okay, but here's the thing. Subscribe. Okay, sorry. I got to look. Oh, no, we're doing good. You know what? Hang on a second. I need to put some butter on this puppy. It only takes 1 or 2 times to pick that bowl up after it's already been sitting in there. Then you remember that it's hot. Not that shit ever happened to Coach Neighbors. All right, come on now. Keep up. Y'all stick with me now. Come on. This sweet pepper butter is a special butter that I made with grinding up garlic, peppers, onions, yellow onions, purple onions, a bunch of different kind of onions and stuff. So I like to just baste it on there and let that keep cooking. But we're gonna flip that over. Ooh, got a nice little black char on there. So we gotta kind of hurry up and get this basted up so that could cook inside before my fire gets too big. Okay, I think we're good on this fire. Okay, so sipping time. So you guys come to the live stream tonight. And then I'm going to let you guys know what the game plan is to make sure this attorney knows that we all on the same team. And here's the thing. These attorneys think they're smarter than everybody else. But you know what? The asses ain't smarter than all of us. Because that's what we got going on right here. And she called me today, and she said, Coach, I've been emailing you, and I haven't heard, I haven't got you. What's your name? H? I haven't received any emails. I don't remember. I'm pretty, then we got to talking, and it turns out she's been emailing this other fool over here, and he been telling her some stupid shit. And so I Googled his name and pulled up his website. He's an associate attorney, and his name is, I think his name is first on the law firm. And so this lady don't even realize, she didn't at that time realize that this dude that said he was a paralegal is actually a sorry-ass attorney. That allowed Judge C. Suing to get back on her shit. Now, you know why that happened? Because so she looked at his shit, she didn't like it, the document he wanted her to put in court. She came and got her own shit off the website. And she filed it in court. And, he was not happy. Oh, yeah. And so now the judge is a little jammed up. But the problem is no other judge won't touch this shit. Why is that? It's a little hot in the kitchen. Yeah. So the judge she's suing is back on the table now because this asshole's a real attorney and not just, And I don't know, they probably paid him well, but I don't think they paid him well enough because what we do to attorneys is we add their property to your lawsuit, as damages, and then you have to serve their wife or the spouse. If the spouse is a male or female, it doesn't matter. And there's some other things that we're going to talk about tonight that this young lady's going to be doing to make sure that she lets this attorney know that she's now getting the coaching, the real shit. Do you know who I am? From Coach Neighbors. And I'm thinking that the coaching that she's getting now is going to be a lot different than other bullshit they were sticking up in her face. I don't know, maybe 9, 10, not sure what time the stream going to be tonight, but there's going to be some shit going down tonight, so y'all don't miss that. Give his asshole a chance to step up to the plate. And I'm going to send him an invitation to come to the stream too. Y'all know. Come on now. Y'all ass. No, I don't play. So that's what we're going to do. I gotta tend to my meat here. I gotta tend to my meat. I'm getting a little worked up. Do I look like Mike Tyson?